In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and manage custom pixel settings in Shopify. Whether you're new to Shopify or just need a little guidance, this walkthrough will help you confidently navigate the platform's settings to manage your store's custom tracking events effectively. Let's begin by heading over to the Shopify admin panel. This is your central hub where you manage everything related to your online store, from adding products to monitoring sales data. Once you're logged in and on the homepage, the first thing you need to do is locate the Settings option. You'll typically find this in the lower left corner of the dashboard. Clicking on Settings opens a new window where you can adjust numerous controls and configurations to tailor your storefront to your liking. Next, within the Settings menu, look for the Customer Events option. This section is particularly useful if you want to track and interact with your customers' behavior, so confirming you're in the right place is critical. Clicking on Customer Events will take you to an interface that gives you the flexibility to add or modify custom pixels, which can be a powerful tool for understanding your customer's journey and improving their overall shopping experience. Now, we move on to something more specific: custom pixels. Clicking on Custom Pixels opens up a timely dialog where you can see a list of previously integrated pixels or data tracking elements. This is the area where you manage the intricacies of capturing interaction data, essential for companies invested in analytics or marketing strategies. As we proceed, you'll notice a drop-down box. This is crucial for selecting options related to these custom pixels. Clicking on this drop-down box will reveal several actions you can take with the current pixel setup. For example, if you find a pixel that you no longer need, or if it was added by mistake, you can easily delete it. By clicking on the Delete option, a confirmation prompt will appear, asking if you're sure about removing this particular element. Make sure you're certain before moving forward, as deleting a pixel might remove essential tracking capabilities. After you've done deleting or making any changes, there's often an additional Delete button to finalize these choices. At this point, proceed with caution, ensuring you've reviewed everything thoroughly. Once you're sure, clicking Delete again confirms the action. Finally, if you change your mind about making any of these alterations, there's always the option to cancel changes. Click Cancel if you wish to exit without implementing any of the modifications you've worked through. This allows you the opportunity to reevaluate or perhaps consult with team members before making permanent adjustments. And that's a wrap on navigating custom pixel settings in Shopify. Adjusting these settings is a significant step toward optimizing your store's interaction with customers and enhancing your overall business intelligence. Thank you for watching, and happy selling.